I had experienced hair loss beginning in my late 30s, and by my early 50s, I was contemplating either wearing a wig or getting a hair transplant. I felt unattractive. I didn't have my self-confidence. I felt as though people, when they looked at me, were looking at my hair loss and how much of my scalp was exposed, instead of listening to what I had to say and seeing me as a friend or someone that they worked with. I was a teacher for many years, and I always felt like, are they looking at my hair and what lack of hair I have? Are they listening to what I've got to tell them? And that's when I called the Regenerative Center.
Vivian had been coming to me for over 9 years for PRP therapy to address her thinning hair. This natural treatment has helped her restore thickness and fullness, especially in the back of her head. PRP uses your own body's natural healing abilities to stimulate hair growth and strengthen your follicles.
It was my own body helping to heal my own body. That was also very positive, knowing that, you know, it was me trying to help myself. My results have been phenomenal. I've got, not just do I have the hair back, I have the confidence back, and I feel good about myself, and that's a plus any way you look at it. The staff was very friendly. They were very reassuring. They attended to every question, every need that I had. They wanted me to be successful. They interviewed me, they asked questions, and the first time I came in, someone sat with me and made sure I got through the procedure, and it was just a very positive experience all the way around. I'm a lifelong boater. I grew up on Kentucky Lake. I absolutely love to swim. I love to spend time with my friends at the lake, and it has been an outstanding experience for me to get out of the water, dry off, and let my hair dry and not be embarrassed or ashamed that my hair is so thin that I immediately have to put on a hat. So it has given me a big boost of confidence, and I feel like people notice my smile now rather than my hair loss.
If you're looking for a natural solution to thinning hair, call us today for a free case review and find out if PRP is right for you.